Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize ENS reverse resolution for cleaner crypto links, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Ethereum Name Service website. Connect your wallet by clicking on the Connect button in the top right corner. Select the wallet you use, such as MetaMask or Coinbase wallet, and log in if prompted. Once connected, go to the Home or Dashboard section. Look for the Manage or My Domains tab to find your existing ENS names. Select the ENS name for which you want to enable reverse resolution. Explore the options displayed, and locate the Reverse Resolutions section. Click on Set Reverse Record to initiate the process. Enter the Ethereum address that you want to associate with your ENS name. Review the information to ensure accuracy. If everything looks correct, proceed by clicking on the Save or Update button. Confirm the transaction in your wallet that appears as a pop-up. Monitor your wallet for a confirmation of the transaction. Once confirmed, return to the ENS dashboard to check your updates. You should now see that reverse resolution is enabled for your ENS name. This will allow users to access your crypto links more cleanly using your ENS name. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized ENS reverse resolution for cleaner links. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.